Before it was the Delaware and Ulster, it was an abandoned line of Conrail. It was built through Arkville in about 1870 as the roundout in Oswego. Arkville is 48 miles from Kingston. It arrived in Roxbury, which is the other end of our line today, 11 miles from Arkville, in 1871. By 1875, the railroad had gone through a bankruptcy, was called the New York, Kingston, and Syracuse. We believe the Roxbury depot dates from that time. The railroad went through another bankruptcy and came out as the Ulster and Delaware, and kept that name up through 1932 when it was sold to the New York Central. So the New York Central operated it. Passenger service ended in 1954, and freight service ended in 1976. The line was then abandoned. So the current operation, Delaware and Ulster, operates two different types of services. We have a coach tourist train that runs from Arkville to Roxbury, and we open on Memorial Day weekend and we run through the last weekend of October. They also operate a beautiful dinner train operation, which is made up of 5 historic streamlined cars from the golden age of railroading, most of them built 1949, 1950. We're aboard one of those today, and this is arguably the most historic car in the fleet. Plans for the future include restoring the trackage back to high mount, possibly over the other side through some of the most historic track that ever existed in the east through a double horseshoe curve to Pine Hill, and possibly down the hill into Big Indian, and also the other direction from Roxbury towards Grand Gorge.